Welcome to this episode of The Makeup of Science. Izzy here. 1 minute. Sorry, that was fake. That brings me to our next subject. Today we'll be talking about sneezing. And I'll be using the book Ouch, again, with last week, owned by Discovery Kids, not me. I'm not that awesome yet. Anyway, sneezing is a reflex to dust particles getting up your nose, or a cold virus, actually. And these cold viruses are called rhinoviruses. Rhinoviruses are smaller viruses, and they just make the nasal lining produce more mucus, which is the sticky, slimy, green stuff that normally moisturizes the inside of your nose. So anyway, I'm going to tell you a few stuff first. Yeah, that was a real good sentence right there. Anyway, the nasal cavity is the cave-like space behind the nostrils. The nostrils, two holes right here. Yeah, you just saw them. That was real much hair of me. Nose hairs inside your nose, obviously, and they are used to capture dirt and dust and all that other stuff that comes into your nose. And pollen, dust, pollen grain, dirt, all kinds of stuff like that will help irritate the sneeze and make it even more, snotty and disgusting, which is real fun, yeah. So anyway, that's what it is. You cannot open your eyes while sneezing, and it's just impossible. They just snapshot the reflex. Reflex is cool. I think I might do a video on that next time. Pay attention. Your goblet cells, they make the mucus. They're shaped like goblets, like duh, but, so yeah. And after you sneeze, neutrophils, which is white blood cells, and antibodies are released from your immune system to help clean up that area and get rid of the cold virus. And when you do sneeze, pollen grain, dust, dirt, bacteria, it's all released out of that mucus. So yeah, that's it for sneezing. Really not that complicated. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this episode of The Makeup of Science. I want to wish you all a happy Hanukkah. It starts tomorrow night at sundown. I'm celebrating, because, I'm Jewish. What? I was going to say something. Oh, please subscribe if you like our videos. If you don't, well, that's your problem. Anyway, that's it, guys. Bye.